Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkle English, where I teach you how to improve your level of English. This is another video in my Common English Errors series. We're going to talk about the difference between to, and to. So these words are often confused because they have the same pronunciation. However, they have different meanings and uses. Let's first talk about to. So to is a preposition and is commonly used to indicate direction or motion. We also use to before a verb to make the to infinitive form. Let's look at some examples. She walked to the park. Now in English we say to, but sometimes when native English speakers are speaking quickly, it sounds like this. Listen carefully. She walked to the park. So sometimes to can sound like ta. And this pronunciation is only for to. We don't say ta for too or two. So listen to my other examples. Should we go to the cinema? Again, you hear ta. You can say, should we go to the cinema? But a native English speaker will typically say it faster. Should we go to the cinema? The party is from 8 to 11 p.m. I want to buy a new car. The baby needs to have a nap. So in the first example, she walked to the park. We're talking about direction or motion. Should we go to the cinema? And in the last two examples, we're using to before a verb to make the to infinitive form. I want to buy a new car. The baby needs to have a nap. So now let's talk about too. So to is an adverb that is commonly used to indicate that something is excessive. It's not a good thing. For example, I ate too much pizza. That means I had more than I should have. Another meaning of to is also or likewise. Let's look at some examples. The little boy ate too much chocolate. So that means he ate more than he should. Can I come to the concert too? So here, this to means also. Can I also come to the concert? Can I come to the concert too? I love Justin Bieber too, which means I also love Justin Bieber. It's too far for us to drive there. So in this one, it's too far for us to drive. This means it's excessive. Imagine it's 3 hours to go to a store. That's too far. You only want to drive 1 hour. And the last one is the easiest one, the number two, two. It's a number and it refers to the quantity of something, two. So we have 2 dogs. We went on a 2-hour hike in the mountains. They have 2 small children. Okay, all of these were just using the number 2. Now we're going to do a quiz. You will have 5 seconds to answer each question, and you have to fill in the blanks with to, or to. Number 1, have you ever been Europe? The correct answer is to, T-O. Have you ever been to Europe? Number 2, it's late to go out. The correct answer is to, T-O-O. It's too late to go out. Imagine it's 11 p.m. and you don't want to go out because it is too late, excessively late. Number 3, do you think this shirt is baggy for me? The correct answer is too, T-O-O. Is this shirt too baggy? Imagine you have a t-shirt and it's an extra large and you wear a large. It's too baggy, excessively baggy. Number 4, I've been studying Spanish for hours. The correct answer is the number 2, TWO, 2 hours. Number 5. Much caffeine can cause insomnia. The correct answer is 2, TOO. Too much caffeine can cause insomnia. So if you drink a lot of coffee, 10 cups a day, that's too much. It's excessive. Number 6. This one we have to fill in the blanks. Be or not be? That is the question. A famous quote by Shakespeare. Okay, the answer is to be or not to be. All right, this is the to we add before the verb to form the infinitive. To be or not to be? That's the question. Number 7. She was afraid. Speak up in front of the large crowd. The correct answer is she was too afraid. TOO, excessively afraid. To, TO, speak up in front of the large crowd. Number 8. We need, buy, new pairs of shoes for the camping trip. The correct answer is we need to buy, TO. The number 2, TWO, new pairs of shoes for the camping trip. Number 9. We've been waiting for a response for over weeks. The correct answer is 2, TWO. We've been waiting for a response for over 2 weeks. And finally, number 10. I didn't know you like jazz music. I enjoy it. The correct answer is I enjoy it too, TOO, which is I also enjoy it. I enjoy it too. Okay, so let me know in the comments section how many you got correct out of 10. I also encourage you to write some practice sentences in the comments section using to, or to. And also check out my full playlist on common errors in English, which I've linked you to in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next lesson.